Good afternoon. I'm down at Airport Road heading for home, coming out at Holywood Exchange, but before that I've just gone by this. These are the landing lights of the city, George Best City Airport landing lights. I thought they looked good, so I've just stopped to video them. I'm just waiting for a plane to come along now, but obviously it won't. But there's planes taking off here all the time, and they just go right over your head. So I thought this was pretty spectacular, looking at this. It's pity that tree was in the road, or that bush. There's a wee duck. George Best City Airport landing lights all switched on like a Christmas tree. And they must be on this early in the day because it's quite misty, quite foggy.